Today, we're going to build the Invincible Deer Squad building block version.
Moon Rocket Bunny and Nana figurine assembly instructions and stickers.
4 packs of spaceship components.
Nana figurine also has 2 luminous parts.
Put on the hat. Insert the ears.
This is the Nana figurine's minifigure spaceship chassis with tires attached.
Install the cockpit.
Stick stickers on the spaceship shell. Assemble the 2 parts of the shell together. Put on the cockpit. The spaceship's bottom parts.
This is the tail shape of the spaceship. Like a rabbit's tail.
Install luminous parts on the spaceship's wings. Snap onto the wing section. It is recommended to align the holes for the wings on the other side.
Assemble on both sides of the hull.
Assemble the tail. This is the tail thruster. The backrest of the cockpit. The spaceship's control panel. Install the yellow decoration on the top.
Nana sits in the cockpit.
Moon Rocket Bunny assembly is complete.
That's all for today's video. Follow Snowfish Playground.
See you next time.